say something about it.
So you're getting them dressed.
Well, you're like, sure. I thought they come in here like see a mouse or something, or some dead animal. Or what?
Nothing.
Want me to use the shovel? Maybe that'll be easier.
No, just hold on.
I'll eat it.
I'll give you $5 if you take a bite. I'll record you biting that shit. That'll be hella views.
Oh, there'll be an excuse not to go to work tomorrow.
Oh, God.
Eat that and be like, what? Want me to do it?
No.
Just get down there and put your tongue back like this. Go like this, look. I'll take a picture.
No.
Whoa, not like that. I just want to see the plate.
What the hell are you doing?
Are you done?
Now I'm gonna try to throw that.
Here we go. Are you recording it? You're close.
Ew. Are you okay?
So,
I can see how it works. Feel, honey.
The cat is out.
Stop. It's just dog food.
The dripping.